Gusto mo ba ng permanent and long-term solution sa nabungi mong ngipin? Ito ay tinatawag na dental implant. It is a screw inserted into the jawbone made up of titanium that is biocompatible with the body kaya hindi nakakalawa. Special because it restores full chewing power, it looks and feels natural, and prevents bone loss dahil kapag nabungi, unti-unting numinipis ang buto. And can last a lifetime if properly cared, so hindi mo na kailangan magpapalit-palit ng pustiso. Dental implants can replace a single tooth, multiple teeth called implant-supported bridge, and implant-supported dentures to hold a removable denture and replace all teeth. With the advent of digital 3D implant guide, we can do it faster and more accurate now, mas madali pa kaysa magbunot. No, because we will make sure to numb the area before treatment and is allowed to heal for 1 to 2 weeks. After implant placement, we need to wait for 6 months to allow the bone to stick around the implants to make sure it is strong enough to support the crown. Then we will do a bone grafting procedure. Maglalagay tayo ng bone dun sa area na paglalagyan ng implant and will be allowed to heal for 5 to 6 months para tumigas ito and be strong enough to hold an implant. I'll post my actual implant cases, single or multiple implants, in my YouTube channel. I'll show you the step-by-step process on how I did it, the before and after results. So if you are interested, please copy the link of my YouTube channel in the comment section.